Welcome! Pinterest is more than just a platform for recipes and DIY projects. It's a hidden gem for real estate professionals looking to generate leads. By leveraging Pinterest's visual and search-friendly features, you can showcase properties, share market insights, and engage with potential clients in a unique way. In this video, we'll dive deep into how you can use Pinterest to attract buyers and sellers, stand out from the competition, and grow your business. Stay tuned for some insider tips and tricks that can transform your Pinterest strategy and elevate your real estate marketing game. To get the most out of Pinterest for real estate, your profile needs to be fully optimized. Start with a professional photo that reflects your brand. Next, write a compelling bio that highlights your real estate expertise and tells your audience what makes you unique. Don't forget to include keywords related to real estate to boost your visibility. Finally, make sure to add a link to your real estate website or landing page to drive traffic and capture leads. A well-optimized profile will make you look credible and attract more potential clients. Creating engaging pins is crucial for attracting potential clients on Pinterest. Start by using high-quality images that showcase properties at their best. The visuals should be clear, bright, and professional to grab attention. Pair these images with catchy titles that spark interest and make viewers want to learn more. Detailed descriptions are equally important. They should be informative and include relevant keywords to improve visibility in search results. By combining stunning visuals, intriguing titles, and comprehensive descriptions, you can create pins that entice prospective buyers and sellers to explore your real estate offerings. Using Pinterest boards effectively can significantly enhance your real estate marketing efforts. Organize your boards to showcase different property types, such as homes for sale, rental properties, and commercial real estate. This not only makes your profile look professional, but also helps potential clients find exactly what they're looking for. Include boards for client testimonials and market insights to build trust and demonstrate your expertise. Don't forget to categorize each board and add relevant keywords to boost your search visibility. Strategic organization and keyword optimization can turn your Pinterest boards into a powerful lead generation tool. Promoting your pins on Pinterest can significantly boost your visibility and attract more potential clients. Leveraging Pinterest ads and promoted pins allows your content to reach a wider audience beyond your followers. These paid options can be targeted to specific demographics, ensuring that your pins are seen by people interested in real estate. Consistent pinning is also crucial. Regularly updating your boards keeps your profile active and engaging. Additionally, interacting with your audience by responding to comments and joining group boards can foster a sense of community and trust. Effective promotion and engagement strategies can greatly enhance your lead generation efforts,